Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer Hammer. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple menu in a CLI app in C#/.NET. Alright, let's get started. So we'll get a new project running. We can just say .NET new console here. Alright, and then let's open up program.cs. Really like our Microsoft to clean up this console template, and you don't need a main function. You can just simply start writing C#. So real cool. Let's clear that out of the way, and let's start out with just a simple hello and welcome to our menu sample. Just like that, we'll show that to the user as soon as it started up. And then for actually building the menu out, we're going to use a while loop. So we'll say while, and we'll call this show menu. While this is true, we need to initialize that variable as well, so let's make it a boolean. Show menu equals true. While this is true, let's just print our menu. Now, this is really a bad idea because this is going to be an infinite while loop. If I run this, this is always true. There's no condition to make this false. Let's see what happens. So let's clear our terminal, run .NET run. Yeah, just boom. All right, let's kill that off and clear that out of the way. This is a bad idea. Don't do this. Make sure your while loops do not just run infinitely. So what we're going to do here, let's make a new function, and we'll just call this main menu. I'm going to call it from here first, and then we'll go down here and actually describe the function. So it's going to be a static bool because we want to be able to return false. This actually needs to be show menu equals. There we go. That way this variable can be set to false and X out of the while loop. So static bool, we're going to return a boolean. For our example, let's have a simple, almost like a restaurant menu. I know it seems kind of silly in a console app, but hey, why not? So we'll go in here and say to console right line, what would you like to order? Imagine you're going up to the speaker box and your robot's telling this to you. And let's just start building the menu out, build our options. So let's say option 1, oops, 1 is going to be pizza, and then number 2 will be tacos, and number 3 will be a cheeseburger. And of course we need a way to exit, so we'll say number 4 is exit, just like that. And then let's tell the user, make a new line here, select and option. So if we run this code now, we're not returning a boolean, so let's just return false here, just to exit out. So I'm not actually doing anything with the options. We're just going to run this function here and display all these options to the user and exit out. So let's see what that looks like right now. I like to run my code often. All right, so far so good. Hello and welcome to our menu sample. And then what would you like to order? Pizza, taco, cheeseburger, or exit. And I got a typo there, select and option. There we go. All right, so this is looking pretty good starting out, but we actually need to make this, we need to make our menu options actually do something. So let's use a switch statement for this. We'll say switch, and it'll be on console read line. We're going to take input from the user. And the first case, number 1 is pizza, so let's say right line, let me indent that. You selected pizza. Yay. Maybe you like pepperoni. Maybe you like pineapple and ham. I do myself. And then let's just return true here. Kick them back to the menu. Yeah, let's see what that looks like. We're just going to take this out for now. We need a default actually, so let's put a default case in here as well. Default console dot right line. We're going to use this default for any option that is not in the menu, so let's just say invalid option. And we will return true, take them back to the menu, just like that. I'm missing a semicolon. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. .NET run. All right, what would you like to order? Let's try pizza. you selected pizza, kicked us back to your menu. That's looking good. And if we try an invalid option like 5, invalid option, what would you like to order? So far so good. I'm going to hit Control C to exit out of there. Go ahead and clear the terminal. And yeah, let's copy this down and handle other cases. So we'll make this 2. And this one, you selected taco. And this one, case 3, you selected cheeseburger. And we also need a case 4 to exit. So in case 4, let's just say, thanks for coming by. And we will return false to exit the application. All right, it's looking pretty good. Let's try it out. .NET run. Let's try taco this time. You selected taco. Okay, that's looking good. And if we try exit, thanks for coming by, that exits the application. So far, this is looking great. With this, you could build a simple console CLI menu for your application. Now, let's go a little further and do a little improvements. Do a few more improvements on this. First off, let's clear the terminal when we print the menu. That way I don't have to use clear anymore. So let's say console.clear. This will clear the terminal, the console window. All right, let's try this out with the console clear in place. So .NET run. And there it cleared up our terminal. And we can say pizza. 2. Now the only problem with this now, we're always getting the menu back, and it's going so quickly that we don't even see the output. So let's fix that. And what we'll do here is we'll create a new function. This will return void, nothing. And we'll say pause before continuing. Just like that. And in here we'll say press any key to continue. Put a little break in there. And then we'll just say console read key. So we'll get any key back. And then in each one of these, let's call our function. Pause before continuing. Let's copy that on down. And we need it for the default as well. And then let's try it out. All right, so let's try pizza. And there we go. You select a pizza, press any key to continue. Okay, try taco. We get taco. And we can press any key to go back to the menu. And of course, exiting still works as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more C# and probably some JavaScript, TypeScript stuff as well too. Maybe do a little React, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Bye.